Today we are here to show our Kashmiri brother we know what you are suffering and we can feel your suffering, and we are standing with you and we know what's going on there, and you are looking to get justice from Modi, who is, if you go to Google and find out the world most wanted terrorist, you will see the picture of Modi, because he has murdered so 100,000 people in Gujarat before. He's a professional killer, and you are looking from him to give justice in Kashmir. Not gonna happen. We need to look the way. We have to find a solution, because our brothers are not even be able to get their food, their medicine. The women are giving birth in their home and dying there, and they are every single day taking young children from the home and they kidnapping them, and they are being kidnapped like an animal. And world only UNO is the name of not justice, not the humanity. I think if we tell them they are not working for the humanity, they are not working for the peace, they are not working for the justice, they are only working for their own mission, and their mission is only when they need something, when we need something, they don't need. And I'm saying that if the time will come when we are right now going to UNO, to our nation, and bringing and expressing our problem to them, because we showing to the world we are looking the way of the peace. But time will come when nobody will get attention. What would you do? You will cross the limit. You will get tired when you will see your children are dying there, their sisters being kidnapped, they are raping our sisters and mothers and children. What will you do? Then we will go our limit, which should not be started right now. But I'm saying that then the time will come when they are terrorists. They are not saying and not telling the people that Modi is the factory of terrorism. He is creating the terrorism, and nobody paying attention there. And times, if goes out of the limit, what we gonna do when one child be hungry and they are looking, nobody come to help? What he will do? He will do then what he could do. And inshallah, we're not living our Kashmir alone. We will wait until we see if there is a mandate in UNO or they're just working for the superpower. And the time will come, if they're not going to act, then inshallah we will act for our brothers, even we do our blood for them, and I will feel honor for it. Inshallah, Kashmir will be free, and Modi, you started. And inshallah, we will show you that it keep in your mind. Kashmir banega. Kashmir banega. We love Kashmir. Kashmir is our main nerve of the body. We cannot give to nobody. Inshallah, will come to us. Thank you.